In this video, I will show you how to open a HTML file in Google Chrome. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to do this, what I'm going to do is just create a HTML file to start with. So what I'm going to do is just open up my notepad. And what I've done, I've just put a HTML code into here. Now, once I've done this, what I'm going to do is come and click onto File. Then I'm going to come and click onto Save. What I'm going to do is save this as a HTML. So what you want to make sure is that the extension is .html first of all. And where it says Save as Type, I'm just going to change this to all files. I'm going to make sure that's saved onto my desktop. Then I'm going to click Save to save this. Then if I close this down, we should now have our HTML file just down here on our desktop. So you can see if I hover over it, it says Chrome HTML document. Now to actually open this HTML file with Google Chrome, what you want to do is right click onto the file itself to bring up this menu. And on this menu, come and hover over the option which says Open With, and you should see an option here for Google Chrome. Now if you don't see this option, what you can do is come and click onto Show More Options just down at the bottom, and you should now see the Open With option here. So again, just hover over, and if you don't see Google Chrome showing up here as well, you can just select Choose Another App. What it's going to do is open up a window like this, and from here what you can do is scroll down the list and look for Google Chrome. So you can see it's here, so what I'm going to do is just double click, and as you can see it's going to load up the HTML file in Google Chrome. So that's how to open a HTML file in Google Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.